Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to RadioSilentPlay.com. I am your moderator for today on Sunday, February 7th, 2016. Let me start off by saying I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence before trading any stock or options. Trading stocks and options require lots of risk. So as of late, I've been doing a trading journal, February 2016 trading journal. I just finished it. What I've been doing is the previous stocks that have triggered at or near buy ranges, I pretty much update them for the week's end. I've been doing this to see what kind of feedback we get, and we also can kind of see how the stock is progressing from the entries that we've actually entered the stock. So I'm going to go over first the OTC markets. First ticker symbol is ticker symbol ICNV. Okay, the ticker symbol ICNV, what I noticed here, we were in a line of symmetry, and we were looking for this bottom accumulation or consolidation here at the bottom. If you notice here, okay, this stock rallied and gave an opportunity to enter as low as that 0.002 level. Then we saw the stock bounce, and it just couldn't break over that 0.0035 level. I told traders to ensure to look for a pivot break of 0.0035 for a move higher. That didn't happen. The stock then pulled back and gave us a low entry, which triggered on the mobile app and also the RSP Premium Twitter here at 0.0014 to 0.0016 on February 2nd, 2016. Okay, the stock then rallied, consolidated, and now if you notice, now we're trading above this 8-day moving average. The stock rallied and hit a high of this level here at 0.0048. That becomes your new pivot. Okay, we've closed 2 times above this level, this trend line. So I want traders to kind of look at this level for support now. This 0.0025 level now is acting as support. So any pullback from the previous high of 48, we're going to look for that 0.002, okay, for support for a re-entry. Okay, so that's the setup here on ticker ICNV. Just a beautiful move off that 1416 level. I want traders to understand that you want to lock profits on the way up. Right now, you're playing with a lot of volatility in all markets. Okay, so we just want to ensure that if you do happen to get to a 50, 100% profit margin, traders start looking to lock profits. The objective is slow growth in this market. Next ticker symbol is ticker symbol RDAR. This is a stock that actually pulled back and posted in some nice re-entry levels. The first move here was at 35.0035 to 0.004 trigger. It hit a high of 0.014. Then the stock pulled back, gave that re-entry level here at that 0.004 level. And now if you notice here, we put in a nice reversal here at 0.0079. This gave an opportunity to enter as low as 0.0031 to 0.0036. So just a nice move here. What we want to see this stock do now is close above this level here, which is about 0.0084. So that's your new pivot. Okay. Then the next level we want to see this stock break is that level at 0.014. Okay. So usually when you're trading these stocks, you're looking at support for entries and placing your stop somewhere at or near that range. And when that stock closes above a pivot on 2 consecutive closes, that pivot then becomes your support. So I want traders to kind of understand that setup. Overall, I do see a nice potential cup and handle here. If you notice here, we're seeing a nice round here, a round bottom, and now we're seeing that pullback here for that cup and handle. So I want traders to kind of keep an eye on that RDAR and look for that strongest support for that re-entry. Okay, next ticker symbol is the PKGM. Initially, the stock triggered, gave us an entry between 0.002 to 0.003. The stock rally hit a high of 0.011. I told traders to watch that bullish inside flag pattern, gave us an opportunity to enter this stock as low as 0.003. The stock then rallied, hit a high of here 0.0079 for a nice bullish reversal candle. What we're looking here now is for the stock to kind of hold these levels and close above this channel here. If you close above the channel, the next resistance here is going to be that 21 8-day moving average at 0.0089. Okay, you want to make sure that you see confirmation above these levels. Okay, because if you don't confirm, then you'll probably test new lows. So I want traders to kind of understand that once you break above these moving averages, that then becomes support. So as of now, I'm looking for this pullback, gives a pullback maybe to that 0.0045 to 0.005 for that re-entry. That's that 8-day moving average, and just watch for some consolidation before a retest of the highs. Okay, next ticker symbol is ticker symbol AMLH. This was a stock that I liked between 0008 and 10. It gave a low at 0007, hit a high of this 16 level, but if you notice, it could not break and close above. What you notice here was putting in a little bit of a wedge pattern. The stock then gave an opportunity to re-enter here at that 0008, then rallied, hit that high of 16 again, and then it pulled back, gave that entry at that 0.001 level. And now what you're noticing is you're trading above that 21 and 8-day moving average. That 0.001 level is now your support. What you want to see this stock do is break close above this 16 level. If you close above 16 level in 2 consecutive closes, that then becomes your support, and that's that level there. You want to have this stock start consolidating above this key pivot resistance. If you do, watch that 100-day moving average, that 50-day moving average at 18, and then we should be able to test that 30-40 range. Ultimately, I think that there's some consolidation here. I wouldn't be surprised if we test that 0.003 to 0.005 in the coming weeks. Okay. Next ticker symbol is ticker symbol NWPN. This was a stock that I sent out when I noticed that there was a lot of buying on the ask. I was looking at this as a walk up. The stock was trading at 0.0017 when I noticed it. Gave an opportunity to enter as low as 0.0023. The stock then rallied. I talked about this trend line here. Then the stock broke 0.0035, and then the stock pulled back as low as 0.002 for a re-entry. On that re-entry, you had an opportunity to kind of trade this up higher to that 0.006 to 0.007 level. Now what you want to see is maybe that fib retrace level here. Look for that support here at 0.003 to 0.0037 for a re-entry. Okay, traders have to understand that these stocks do happen to kind of pull back. Start looking for maybe a potential consolidation here in this range here. Look for that 0.003 level to hold, and for a potential break of that high 0.0079 for a move higher. You do have some upside here. You got a breakout level here at 0.015 if it gets there. This is a thinly traded stock. Okay, sometimes you have to worry about liquidity issues. There isn't that many shares, so traders have to take that into consideration when buying stock. Okay, next ticker symbol is a small cap that gave an opportunity. It actually triggered at $3.81 on January 25th. If you notice, ticker symbol FCX Freeport McMoran. Okay, now trading above that 21 and 8-day moving average off that jump on oil. I do expect for some consolidation, maybe a potential pullback re-entry here between that 450 to 488. Traders that added down to the 380 level now can move their stops down to a close below 450 and look to re-enter the stock if you haven't entered the stock somewhere around 450, 480. What you want to make sure is you keep your stops tight with the stop close below 450, because then you could retest lows. Okay, energy stocks are still volatile, so you're getting a lot of upswings, a lot of volatility. So there is opportunity to make money, but at the same time, you want to ensure to lock profits when given the opportunity. Okay, next ticker symbol is the UWTI. This is another oil ETF. I want traders to kind of keep an eye on here. You did post in a low of $1.40. You can move your stop close to $1.40. We took this trade here at $1.78 range. Then the stock rallied, hit a high of $1.72, pulled back, gave a re-entry at $1.86, and then the stock rallied, hitting a high of 223. Okay, so you're getting some swings here, but you want to ensure that you start locking profits. Every time you buy, you have to ensure that you buy a significant amount of shares. A 15-20% swing, you can lock profits, and you can look to continue buying this stock as an ATM trade. Now, all you need to do is just ensure that if the stock closes below $1.40 on 2 consecutive closes, you simply stop out and you move on to the next trade. Same thing with SDRL. If you notice here, a line of symmetry. With oil prices pulling back, the SDRL still continued to do well. We actually triggered this at $1.92 on February 4th, hitting a high of $2.23. I did lock some profits, but I'm holding some. I placed my stop close below my entry, which was $1.90, so that's going to be my stop close. I'm going to pay close attention. I do think that this stock can hit $2.50, so that's my next target on the SDRL drill. Okay, next ticker symbol was an option that we took. It gave us an opportunity to enter as low as $6 range. It did kiss that level, and then the stock rallied. We bought the April 15 calls, gave us a low as low as 20 cents. Now the options are trading at 79 cents. I am holding some. I did lock some profits on the way up, but I am holding some. I think that we should break above this 8-day moving average on 2 consecutive closes. My target here is 930. So just ensure you lock profits. It did give us an opportunity to enter as low as 20. We grabbed that starter at 44, and now the contracts are at 79 cents. And those contracts are for April 15th, 2016. Okay, so that's your ticker symbol for Alcoa, ticker symbol AA. Another stock that we're noticing that is pretty much showing a lot of weakness is the junk bonds. Junk bonds, we were shorting it every time it hit this level here at this trend line. We entered this as high as 79.49, gave us a low of 72 cents. The contracts are now at $1.20. This HYG is now trading at 77. I'm looking for a flush all the way down to about 76.80, where I'm going to start looking to lock profits, and a potential retest of this low here, which is 75.38. Okay, I did post my sentiments on what I expect the trade to do on a longer term basis. It is a bond that is quite under pressure, especially exposed to a lot of oil stock. So, and a lot of oil companies that are kind of filing for bankruptcy. So this is something that I think that will continue to move lower. Okay, with that said, moving on to the next ticker is ticker symbol CLR. Okay, CLR was a stock that again was in a line of symmetry on a downtrend. Okay, we took this trade on January 28, 2016. Gave us an opportunity to enter as high as $22. The stock then pulled back, hit a low of 18.31, where we took some profits off the table. We're looking to short any rally here up to this 22 level for a move down. I do expect this to potentially test 18 to 16 level. So we still are holding CLR. Simply place your stop close above that 22 on 2 consecutive closes. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I will be having a webinar soon. I will keep people posted. If you want to join us for free, know the levels, get the mobile apps, and the setups sent as soon as we trigger. Just join us at www.radiosilentplay.com. Take care, everyone.